What's good, fools? Welcome back again to another cologne review. I'm your girl TR. Today we'll be reviewing Blue Ocean Body Oud. Like I said, until I get like a better camera, I'm debating if I want to do like the GoPro or whatever, but right now I have this old camera and like I said, focusing this, so I'll just start putting pictures of the cologne that I'm reviewing on the side or whatever. Cause it takes too long and it's loud. But like I said, doing a review on Blue Ocean Body Oud by Abdul something I can't read the last name. But I paid $135. It was on sale. This is like the first ever expensive cologne that I've ever bought for myself. That I've ever bought, period. Nobody's ever really bought me cologne, I don't think. Other than my homie, she rests in peace. Oh, and the previous review, when I did a review on this, the Amber Oud Gold Edition. My bad. If I need to review it, I'll redo it again. Cause my girl called when I was in the middle of it. That's what she said. But I'm packaging it, but I've used it before this. I've been using it for like a couple of months now. But the main notes that it says is, no, they have like an oil too, but this is the spray. I want to try the oil and see if it's like a difference. I don't know if it'll be a difference, but they said the main notes are musky, citrus, powdery, fresh, warm, spicy, amber, green, lavender, woody, and fresh spice. Oh my bad, we took the bottle, but fresh out the box, you get this. Like I said, I do apologize, bro. It's like I said, a chick got bills, bro. But like I said, am I the only person who shakes up their cologne and stuff? But it has, I forgot what these little, but these little things in there, I forgot what they're called. But yeah, bro, let's get to it. I haven't used this in a minute. The first spray, I'm just making sure the smell from my other cologne is gone. Any perfume YouTubers out there, how do you get rid of cologne spray if you're doing multiple in a day? And same with the nose and stuff. Like me, I've been using Ozium. That pretty much gets the spray. I think, hold up. I've been using this. Like, this is amazing. I use it for my car too. A lot of car enthusiasts, we know about that. And as far as cleaning off like my skin and stuff, I've been using like this to clean off my skin, to get rid of the smell and stuff. And also like soap between like fragrance reviews to get rid of the smell. But anyway, to the topic at hand. So on first spray, you get like the alcohol smell. As it simmers down, you start to get that musky. Definitely that citrus, bro. I normally don't like citrus, but spicy, I get a little spice. But I definitely get some of that greenish smell, like the grass. Definitely that. And like the fresh and like the powdery, I get that. Yeah, so yeah, I get that. Yeah, the main notes I do smell are musky, citrus, powdery, and fresh. And like the little spice. So yeah, they hit the notes on the head with this. As far as like longevity on skin, this is definitely worth the $135 that I paid for it. Even though it was on sale for the full price, I think it's like $170 something. But like, it's definitely worth that because it lasts on skin for like hours. It's just as good as the Amber, but it lasts way longer. The smell, my girl loves this. She likes it. she never complimented, but I asked her if she smelled it, but she likes it. She doesn't love it as she does the Amber and the Draco, but she likes it. But like far as like clothes, it lasts. It lasts for a full day into the next day until you wash it. It seems because I wash once a week, so and it lasted. You can still smell it on the clothes the full week. Like you don't even have to. I would say 1, 2, and 3, or you can go 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what I do. You don't need a lot. This is very strong. Like I said, it lasts, bro. It lasts for like hours. It lasted with me all night one time when I went out to the bar with her. But yeah, I would say it's definitely worth the $135 for the one and the $175 for the full price. I think it is. Yeah. So my review on this, I say 9.1 for like longevity. The smell, like I love it, but it's not that sweet smell that I like. It's sweet, but it's not sweet like the other ones. But yeah. Oh, but overall, I just say it's a 9.1 for like longevity and like the smell and everything. Just combine it all together. As far as like smell, I would give it 6.5. Or 7.5. 6.5, 7.5. But it does not smell better than the Amber or the Soldier Boy. But it smells good. But I think I gave them a lower, but if not, then we can raise those higher. But yeah, bro. This smells really good. Like I said, the longevity and stuff is worth that price. Like it lasts a week on clothes. Skin, it lasts a couple of hours. That's why I gave it a higher rating. But like I said, definitely worth the price. But yeah, any colognes. Like I said, I don't really like perfumes, but if you want me, any femmes or females want me to review colognes, feel free to let me know. Comment it down below, and I'll review them. But yeah, man, I'm out. Y'all have a great day. Peace. Yay.